Morning guys, our camper dream, Ricardo, my man, Ricardo Fernandez, all the way from Mexico, doing some micro cement prepare work, laka, getting it down. It's tricky, it's cold, the weather looks like this, yeah, it's been up and down. There's the floor, still looking neat, nice. We just put this for protection because we're in and out here. And yeah, today we are busy with the inside of the door. That's the door panel. And the door panel is gonna be here. My wife will be ecstatic to see that we've put some warm wool in there. And at the top. So that whole thing is gonna come there. And that part's going to be finished. Then we have to make another 2 panels. And yeah, then we'll wait for the guy with the cassies. The carpenter with the cassies. There's the hole for the aircon. But yeah, I want to put a smaller grid in there because a mouse can still get his head in there. So I just want to go for a finer grid in there. And yeah, we've done quite some work. There's the electrical box now looks like this. Much neater than it used to be. I must just take out those 3 things at the top. We came in from the back, so we're not going to use that. So yeah, it's going to be nice and neat. And then the red and black wire is for the... We're going to have another box like that just next to it for the 12 volt. For the 12 volt, the PV. And yeah, there it looks quite okay. We have done the showers, or the shower, not 2, 1 shower. Yeah, now today I'm checking for the door to fit. I'm gonna get one of the glass panels to put it in now. The toilet's been fastened. We've got this thing for the toilet. We got the toilet loo down. We got it strapped down. It's nice and fast. Yeah, it's there. If you wreck the toilet, the whole van moves. So that's a good sign. Yeah. Obviously, we're gonna do some edging to round it off nicely, so that it basically looks like that. Must be neat, you know. Must be neat. And the whole thing in the back, we're going to go for black and white. The ceiling's also in. Need to pop the light in. And all the little screw holes must be closed. And yeah, that's it. Oh, someone asked for a walk around the bus. There we go. The bus is still the bus. It's there. It's cold. In the meantime, I got some spaces made. I got some spaces made for my front wheels. I don't like the front wheels that's tucked in so much. If you look at this, you can see the front wheels are quite tucked in. So I got some nice spaces made. See, there's a bit of almost like a 40 millimeter gap. So I got some nice spaces made. Engineering friend of mine, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fit Toyota Hilux Max. And here's the, oh, excuse the garage, it looks a bit hectic, but yeah, there's the plates made. I'm gonna come out a little bit, and yeah, excuse this garage, it really looks not good. But yeah, there's the Toyota Hilux Max. They're gonna get fitted with 235 Bridgestone all-terrains, sitting on these nice discs which I got made, and nice spaces. We'll fit them, and they're also gonna be black like these mags, these wheels. So these are gonna stay the same as the back wheels. And yeah, that's where we are now. There's it. Okay guys, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Our camper dream is coming along.